Hey guys, okay, so this is the neon-ish corally look that I did a couple days ago, especially in my wig review. This is the GLS 40. I'm actually wearing it today. I cut it just a bit, I mean actually a lot, and I kind of added layers to it. Today I decided to like wear it on the side just so you guys can really see the lace and the versatility that it has. And again, I feel like once you put it on the side, the lace doesn't go that far back as it does in the middle, but I feel like it's pretty decent to pull it off. Anyway, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, I didn't do my full face on camera, but I did do the eyes. Like I mentioned later on, I do leave everything in the description box below, so if you have any questions on anything like bronzer, contour stick, anything like that, it's gonna be down there. So if you want to keep on watching. So mostly what I did want to say is the only thing that I switched up is that for my eyes, for the base, I did use something really light. So for my eyes, I'm wearing the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and it's in the shade Chantilly, which is like white, stark white for me, but for my eyes it really works. I did set everything off with my Fit Me, and I use it in the shade Fair Light 10. And like I said about these powders, I know they're like more on the translucent side, but these do have a bit more tint than like the usual translucent powder. I feel like that really toned down the white and kind of made it a little bit more yellowy than white, but I mean, if you would want it to be more white, I would recommend the Laura Mercier. Anyway, so the star of the show is the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte Palette. So you guys did see me holding this in my hand in like the last video. I think it was the drugstore one. I randomly have it in the end, and it's because I was mentioning that if you guys wanted me to do a look with this palette, but then the video got too long, so I had to cut it out. So I'm just gonna cover the mirror so the glare is not that bad, but these colors are literally amazing and everything. Ever since I've got it, I just always have to like pick a color out of it. Let me just clean the mirror real quick. So today's look is gonna be really easy, really simple. So for my base, I'm going to be using this super fluffy brush just to really get a transition color and all that in there. This is the E23, and what you're gonna see me doing a lot is getting toilet paper and sanitizing my brushes. I haven't really cleaned them, and I've been doing a lot of looks like glitter and stuff like that, so I don't want glitter when this is like a really matte look. So I'm just gonna be cleaning them off. I'm gonna go in for a really light color. So I'm gonna be grabbing this really sweet peachy color. This is Peaches and Cream. So I'm just gonna grab that and bounce that in there. And for the start off color, I really don't care about placement. So I'm just gonna take this right here, right where the hollow of my crease is at. And I'm just gonna go in and swift in. And I'm gonna kind of relax my eye as well, just because I do have hooded eyes. So if I really try to go like this, once I put it down, all that color is gonna be in there, and it won't really transfer out here. So this part's pretty standard. I'm just gonna be really applying this color and blending it in, wind wiper motions, and also circular, just to really disperse and not cause like a line right there, and then waking it out at the end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye, just to add a bit more depth. And like I said, this is gonna be super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab just Peachy, and it's this shade right here. It's a very more vibrant peach, a little bit more on the coral side for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, and I'm gonna grab it with another round brush, but a little bit more packed, like a skinnier brush, rather than this one, which is really fluffy. See the difference? So this is gonna really blend out color, but also put it exactly where I want it to be. So again, I'm just gonna clean it really quick, and I'm just gonna take this almost right below. I was putting most pressure right in between here, so I'm gonna take it a little bit below that, and I'm gonna do this in circular and wind wiper motions again. Wind wiper motions is to really put the color where I want it to be, and then circular motions just to blend it up. So for hooded eyes, I would really say to like open your eyes like this. That way you can really see where you're working with and see if you're not getting any harsh lines, because when you relax your eye, you can possibly be causing a line. And your goal is for when you look straight on, you can kind of see that color peek through. I'm sorry if you can hear children crying in the background. They're probably getting the chocolate, so. And remember to fan it out, that way you get that cut look without actually having to cut it up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna go again, grab Peaches and Cream, and wherever I see like a harsh little line, I'm just gonna really go in there and buff it out really quick. And the key is raising your eyes to catch those straight lines, and then relaxing the eye once you're buffing it out, so you can really see if it's catching upwards, you know, because when your eyes like this, you see everything and you see everything blended out and it looks like it's about to touch your eyebrow, and then you go like this and it all kind of disappears. So, and here's the part that makes everything fairly easy. Okay, so I'm going to grab my favorite packing brush. I did do a like recommended beginner type of thing on my Snapchat. Again, like I know I'm just on there so much, so and it's really easy just to like do things on the spot. And this one's like my absolutely favorite packing brush ever. It just really grabs onto the pigment. The shape is amazing, so if you really want to do a circle, if you made a cut crease and you're trying to pack in color, it's perfect shape and it's really stiff and nice. So yeah. It's the M408, just in case y'all wanted to know. And I'm just gonna grab Peach Punch. Like I'm gonna go in there straight in with this really vibrant coral peach shade, almost like a hot pink. I'm just gonna go in and dip it in, and you can see how much it picked up. It picked up a lot. So just to be a little safe, I'm gonna tap a little bit off, and I'm gonna pack the rest on my eye. And I really like this brush because it allows you to get really close to the lash line. I'm just really making a very small circle, and I'm not really winging anything out. I'm just really creating this like half circle shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab another pretty round brush like this one. This is M518. It's really dense, means that it's like really heavy, but what I'm trying to say is like just stiffer. Really not gonna move anything too much. It's just really gonna soften the edges. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Just like where that edge is at, I'm just making circles up and really softening it out instead of like adding Peach Punch onto there. I'm like bringing it up. It really helps a lot if you like look down at something. So, and I'm just winging it out right at the end. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, just to make things a little bit more vibrant right there where my crease is gonna end up like falling down to, I'm just gonna grab the tiniest bit of Peach Punch with the same brush I was blending upwards. Just the tiniest bit, literally just patting into there. And just really going in right at that edge where those two colors are gonna meet, and kind of also taking it down to the lid just so you don't really blend up much of it and then lose like all those colors we are marinating together. No harsh line. That's like literally the last thing we want. We just want some softness and a hint of like that Peach Punch reaching out. Now for the bottom lashes, I'm just gonna grab this really nice stiff pencil brush from Sonic Kashuk. You guys have seen this brush like a billion times at this point. And I'm gonna take mostly just Peachy, and then right at the end I'm gonna grab Peach Punch and kind of connect it, not really bringing it in. I just want just Peachy mostly all around, and then Peach Punch just connecting with that kind of flare that we created. Okay guys, so this is a look. I hope you guys really like it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I probably would have changed my clothes, but I'm just really lazy and I'm probably just gonna wash this off right after. So let me know what you guys want to see next, and follow my Snapchat. It's babygirlchai, And also my G, I'm posting on there way more now, so it's also Baby Girl Chai. I'll leave them written down on the description box, just like everything below. And yeah, thank you.